k is equal to this. Then after every I'm using like for every text word, if the text is present in dictionary, then we will increment the occurrence of text by one. So this is the naive method which we can use like iteratively. Then if text is not present in a word, then if text is present in dictionary, then it will be increment the occurrence of that word. And if it's not, then we will create a key value for that, and we will put the value of that, like if it first will occur there, no? So we will the value of that text is equal to 1. So we are iterating through each word and keeping that in dictionary. So after that we will let's see what we have in the dictionary. Hello. So here you can see that we have the occurrence of each word, like team is used 3 times in that, cook is used 2 times, was is used 1 time. Let's show in a better manner. So we will, for every key and value in dictionary K, we will print the key equal to its value. Okay, so here in dictionary we cannot directly iterate it, so we have to take the structure, the item, which will give us each item one by one. After that, we will see that key and value of k items. So we have list of key and value pair in the items. So it will be like that. So you can see that we have a list of this. Sorry, we have a list of this in a better manner. Like team is used 3 times, cook is used 2 times, was appointed, others, and all that is used. How many times it is showing here. And if we want it, like which one is word is used frequently in that dictionary. So let me use that let me sort this it by value. So I'm using sort. Actually, we can better we have this is the naive method of creating a dictionary, etc. We have one more method. Let's say we have the another dictionary called, no. Then this is a naive method, and we have the better method, that module from collection, import counter. So this is the fast than dictionary. It's actually a dictionary structure, but it's a fast than dictionary, and it is used in various applications. So we directly put it in dictionary. So we have the list of here we can see we have the list of all the words which occurred in the subject. We'll give here the word, and then we can see that 1 minute. We can see. So we will use counter method to list all the word in dictionary format. So we will print them. So here you can see that all the word occurrence in this we have the already in the sorted order or value. Like the apple occur in the most of the time in the word file. Apple occurs 9 times, then the occurs 7 times, of occurs 6 times, and also the is in the descending order. So the last value we can show that occur once time only. Here you can show that this is occurs only once time. The print is this is in a better manner. So here you can see that we don't have to do the all naive method to tracing. We can use directly the counter method. This is the one simple line. We can use it and put it in a dictionary structure. Here you can see that same use 3 times cook and all that. The word and occurrence of that amazing and all. And let's see. Okay, now if you're using the structure here, so you have not the like sorted dictionary structure. So if you're using the naive method using dictionary structure, you didn't use the counter method. And if you want to use if you want to show that sorted order by values, that which word is occurred most of the times in the dictionary in the first line. So you can sort the dictionary structure here. Here you can use the line which I have code. So here basically we have sort the dictionary k dot item, like the items in the dictionary structure. Like then we have referred is the key that the first value. Like here we can see that this is the zeroth one and this is the first. So I have sorted it by first value of it. Then we reverse it because when you sort the dictionary, the order is in the ascending order. But here you can see that the all structure is in descending order, like 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, and all. But if you do reverse is equal to true, it will reverse the order of it. So it will be in descending order. Let's print it's in better. And for key value in sort order.
Jayant,
Yes, sir.
Jayant, if you see me, allow me.
What, sir?
So first, because here nobody is interacting. So what the name is coming here? Manisha. But where is the first display? I want to see that display. This some dictionary was displayed within a list. No, Apple 9, comma this that I want to see again.
Yes, sir.
Where it is that?
Okay, sir. So just before this,
Yes.
here, sir, this is Apple 9B
Wait,
tab.
wait here. I'm asking because the questions should be there. It will taking the 5 minutes more, I think, Jayant.
Okay, sir. Sir, this
You
is
want
all.
5 minutes more?
I'm done. If you have any question.
Okay, fine. So because you
Hello, sir.
and the additional things what you have given by that counter, the counter you have given, no. So in general,
Yes, sir.
just sharing the to all the audience, the students here. So dictionary is having its own order. Dictionary is having its own
Yes,
order.
sir.
I am telling to all students, it does not follow your order. And the task we have given for the flip class, how to sort a dictionary, so it will be by default sorted in the key, not only values. For that you have used this lambda and then not the zeroth for the first.
Yes.
So that's sorted in the reverse manner. Then I want to ask what the name is. Poham Shreya Reddy. Are you listening? Poham Shreya Reddy. Shreya, please respond. Shreya, are you there? Kritika, are you there? Kritika? Manisha Manikandan, are you there? Okay, Nikita, you there? Nikita left. Okay, because you see, thinking that after MN will come or what. Okay, Manisha Manikandan, please respond. Manu Smriti, are you there? Meera Krishna. Mehul Varsne, Merin Jacob.
Yes, sir.
Mehul Varsne, what is displayed here?
Sir,
Dictionary key and values are displayed. Dictionary key and values are displayed, and in which way it was given that it should be sorted on values, not on the key. So what you will call that? In which way it is displaying? What is this one?
sir, it is displayed in the descending order, sorted in the descending
What the
order.
structure is there?
What, sir?
What the structure it is showing? It is showing some square bracket, it is showing some parenthesis, it is showing some comma.
Sir, under square bracket, sir.
So that dictionary key and value.
Dictionary
Key and values are
value.
displayed. Dictionary key and values are displayed. Yes, it is displayed in descending order on values. And what data structure it is displayed? So a dictionary key and values are displayed in a list of tuples. See, all the three data collections are coming.
Yes, sir.
For that. A dictionary key and values are displayed here in list of tuples. All
List
three
of
of us put
tuples.
them together. A dictionary key and values are displayed here in list of tuples. That is only my point. Okay, and it is your turn. It has been cleared. So, any of the question from your side? Any of the question? One question or two question? Welcome. Or just I'm over into Nitish. Nitish, are you there? Nitish, Nitish Hegde.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just to conclude the session, inviting some question, if any question from your background.
Yeah, there was a good presentation from Jayant. And is there anyone having doubt or any questions related to the topic? They're welcome to ask the question. Anyone?
Welcome. Okay, say Jan, thank you. And I will stop your sharing a screen.
Thank you to all. Thank you to Nitish. Thank you, sir.
So now it is my turn to present now. So that I have some few slides. It is 11:50. Yes, time is there. 2 minutes, no problem. So present, first recording is already done. So first present your entire screen. And here, Isha, you are not giving today, no? Isha?
No, sir. Actually, there's a lot of network issue in my area.
Hello? Isha, please tell me again.
Sir, actually, there is a lot of network issue, so I can't connect.
So means that you are withdrawing or what? If it is network issue, I am there. So that you can collect a partner that who is not having the network issue, he or she can share the screen, and anyway the 10 minutes presentation should be done. Or directly you can say, no sir, I'm not interested. Not any diplomatic answer, simple. Because it is here that we will have to conduct the flip classes, and you can, two persons can be given one flip class and their one assignment load will be waived. For that, Isha. But I will not make, I have told 100 times, I will not make again for the shame that it is something how related, because it is not only for the our level, it is not only for the HOD or principal level, it is from VC level, Vice Chancellor of the university, and how many students have presented the flip class. For that reason, I am just encouraging you, everyone participate, the topic of your choice you can present. And the post-assessment session also, I will have to prepare the report, ask simple 1-2 questions. My presence in the flip class is only to check the harmony of this presentation. So today I have kept, okay, understood Isha? My screen is visible. Isha, my screen is.
Sir, I couldn't hear you. Can you please repeat what you were saying?
Now you are listening me first. Are you listening me, Isha?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, that
Okay, your voice is actually breaking. I understood. So you are not telling like understood. I have told just so that it is encouragement and it is the instruction from the VC level of the university that a student should contain the flip class. That sentence you have heard, Isha?
sir, next class I'll give
Okay,
flip
no
class.
problem.
Yeah.
Now I am asking the other student, Kritika, Kumutsali, Shreya, just give one response that you are listening me. Marin Jacob,
Yes, sir.
fine. Preeti, Aman Khan, Wasim, Jigar.
Present, sir.
Fine, I'm not calling the attendance. You just tell me that yes. Okay. So now I'm coming back to my slide because the file handling having the lengthier portion to cover, and we will have to cover. We will not have to miss any of the syllabus. For that, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this one new thing I think it is there. I am telling it SH util, but generally the people or students are calling it the shuttle model. But it is SH util means shell utility module. So that again, that if you are handling the file, organizing the file, copying, renaming, deleting the file, moving the files, so that is there any utility how to display the directory tree, means the directory under the directory subdirectories and again subdirectories, and again it is extending to the compressing files with the zip file module, and again some project is given so that how to rename files with American style and dates to European style dates and backing of folder into a zip file. So 2 projects are given just only for the 2 slides because their solutions are also given there. So here for the quiz question or for your 1-minute review question, I have taken my file only. So just how to copy not using the operating system from the Python end. So we'll have to import first. Import shuttle. This again is something I still have to write there. We will have to first import. Yes, I think this I should write in the next line. So everyone you will be using this one. So you are first writing here import shuttle, yes, shell utility, and then you can simple syntax is there. Shuttle.copy, shutil.copy, source destination, and how to write the source. I have written here from E drive, from 5B ADP 2020 folder. There is one file assignment 1.docs, copy to the drive under the PNS back folder. So it is copied, not displaying any message to copy it. It is just giving the target directory and the file name is it is copied. So whatever the example book is giving that I'm executing for my directory and it is, and moving and renaming file, it is little bit sometimes confusing. You are moving or renaming. So that in same folder you are renaming. But here command is here, shutil.move only. Like that mv command of Unix, it is used for the moving the files from one location to another also, and to rename the file in the same location also. So here you are giving that what is that location, path, which file, and if you are not giving the new name, the file will be copied, the file will be moved, not copied. The file will be moved from source to the target location. And if you are giving the new name here, means file will be moved but with a new name. So existing file in target directory will be overwritten. If you are giving some name here and not seeing here the target file name, you are not giving, I have given here the folder name. So existing file in the target directory will be overwritten. And by mistake that you are understanding that this file will be copied in this particular directory, but that directory does not exist, means you are copying that file in that folder with that name. So if there is no folder 5B ADP 2020, then file will be moved with the same name, 5B ADP 2020, if it is a not folder. If it is a folder, file will be copied with the same name. If you want to give the new name, assignment 1.docs going to the target location, and again I am giving assignment 1 5B docx, that file will be. It is not like that only Python or text file. Any file can be copied because it is having the interface with the operating system. As you have done the import shutil, dot is not required. That was to need to use, I am giving here. So this way, and moving the renaming file, and for one thing that from some particular folder, if you are copying and want to copy all the files, so here meta characters like asterisk and question mark or your regular expression will not work here. So that to copy the directory tree to the target location, you will have to give their copy tree. So 1 minute review question may be there, that what is the difference between copy and copy tree. It recursively copies an entire directory tree or rooted at the source to the destination directory. Moving and renaming, you have understood. If the folder subfolder is not mentioned in the path, Python will throw an exception. And if you are mentioning some source path wrong, then Python will display an error. Should I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Now permanently deleting files. For deleting files, here os.unlink. The command is here import os, and here you can use the subtle module also here, will delete the file at path or directly os.rmdir. You know these commands of operating system, rmdir, chdir and mkdir, and calling shuttle.rm tree path. So it will delete the directory tree, will remove the folder or path, and all files in the folder it contains will be also deleted. Be careful when using this function, because you are going to delete something. It is often a good idea first to check that whether which file you want to delete, or something wrong extension name or wrong name, and it can correct name, even that correct your wrong name entering or correct name entering, it can delete your valuable files and even the directory tree also. So just checking that, I have first checked. So actually I have not told you. So from Python shell prompt, I want to see all the files of this directory. So here the meta character, we cannot write like that from the os.listdir and display me this asterisk.py. We cannot write, but one thing is here the variable name, file name, and I can give that if file name dot ends with, and here only .py. So if file name is ending with these three, the print file name end, and it displaying all the programs in my current folder of the Python having the extension name py, means all the Python program. Some sound I have heard, whether again Mehul or Jan, please tell me you are listening me.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
The screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Here. So I will have to come back and permanently delete the files. I have already told this one. Permanently delete the file rmdir, this one. Calling the rm history. Fine. Yes, fine. I am seeing that the some path is not repeated there. So now, sometimes it is always safe to delete when we are deleting in windowing files from folder any file. First it goes to recycle bin. You know that, no? Or we are new generation is also calling it trash. So not trash. So that if you want to safely delete that file, it can be stored in the recycle bin, so that you can use this function send to trash. But for that you will have to install again another module in Python, pip install send to trash from the terminal window. I have installed after seeing that one, in which I have installed, going to the Python script subfolder. I have given their command pip install send to trash, and it is installed within I think 30 seconds only. And now that you have opened a file, just checking that open, and I am not writing here W. So anybody will respond me fast. What is the significance of A here?
Appending a file.
Appending a file. If file does not exist,
Will create a new.
good. It will be so that it is equivalent to like that. Okay, no? And if the file existing, then it will add the
We'll merge it.
contents at the end. Okay. So that is always good. And then I'm writing Kudi Panjavan Dil Chura Ke Le Gayi. And what the response it is giving, it will be the interview question also or quiz question. So if you are writing something in file by song file name, what variable name dot write, and because in song your what file contents are saved, so you are writing, so what response it is giving the total number of characters, counting the spaces also, the total number of bytes it is returning. Now closing the file, then import send to trash, and send to trash again the built-in method is send to trash only and ghana.txt. So you will be going and seeing that whether this file has come in the recycle bin. You will see there, yes. So directly from Python, you have deleted a file giving the path, and that file not deleted like rmdir or unlinked. So here directly the file is going to the recycle bin, and you can again bring it back, restore back to the location from where you have deleted. So I have given the screenshots, command, execution, recycle bin status, everything in this slide. Going to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
And now if you want to see that what is the directory, I have the directory TurboC3, and what are the subdirectory under the TurboC3, and what are the subdirectory under BGI and under bin and under class lib or under class lib include. So I want to see that, so that for that we have done this for folder name, subfolder name, file name in os.walk. So function name you are remembering, or topic you are remembering. Walking the directory tree, so the built-in method name is walk, that is os.walk, and directly given here that C:\\\. Turbo C3. You know why we are giving the double backslash, to just to maintain that particular discipline, so that to make the backslash literal. So it is displaying the, and I am writing in that way, the current folder is plus folder name. So it is displaying the folder or subfolder or file, everything it is displaying. And here it is, the explanation is given here in a for loop statement to walk a directory tree, much like how you can use the range function to walk over a range of numbers. Unlike range, the os.walk function will return 3 values on each iteration through the loop. What 3 values? A string of the current folder name, the list of a string of the folders in the current folder, what I'm calling for the subfolder, and the list of strings of the file in the current folder. By current folder, I mean the folder for the current iteration of the for loop. The current working directory of the program is not changed in os.walk. If you are walking the path, it doesn't mean that you are changing the current directory position like chdir of Unix, or here also you have learned the chdir. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to keep this one because I will have to display something to you. For that reason, these 4 slides. Again, the file handling, let it be continued. Review question also, let it be continued. I will have to conduct actual attendance, actually how much our students are serious to attend the classes. So I want to see from here that what I have done, that is executing from here or not. First, closing this PowerPoint slide. The screen is still represented. Fine. So I'm not showing here the code. What I have done, something I want to share with you, if everyone is doing the speech recognition and 2 things, and the natural language processing. Speech recognition and natural language processing. For that, I am just giving here, by speech recognition, it is understanding or not. The first here, to open any web page. By default, I have taken for the natural language processing the whole Hindi word dikhao, and by default it should open the cmrit.ac.in website. Dikhao. Just encourage me by your claps. Okay, fine. Now I want to see there whether your voice is also recognizing from the thousands of kilometer or not. So, okay, it will start automatically the Python cell prompt here. One more from my side. But anyone can say, sir, why you have told Dikhao? I want to say some Facebook for that reason. So first I will say here, www.facebook.com. Yes, now applause. Good. Okay. So now, and I am always doing like that. So that even we can say that the cmrit.ac.in or any of the website you can say and it will be opening. But code I am hiding intentionally here. So now, and now a speech 2. Just see here. Who are you?
Dr. PN Singh, I am your darling queen of Python.
Hello, Dr. P.A. Singh. I am your darling queen of Python. Okay, fine. Now, from your word, I will be taking also here. Here, for that, I have given some 4 or 5 songs. So first, my favorite one, Sona Sona. Again, Sona Sona. Now they will insist also the Amitabh Bachchan to come and sing. Please, come on. No, just one step, please. No, you should go. You should go, yes. Please.
कुड़ी पटाखा दिल चुरा के ले गई सोना सोना दिल मेरा सोना
So closing this one. So for me now, just I am starting one more. See that I have given the language and natural language processing for that also. Shri Ganesha Deva. Again, Shri Ganesha Deva. I'm not correctly pronouncing. Sapna.
मन करे ते गोरी घायल तेरी आज्ञा का यो काजल मन करे ते गोरी घायल तू सहज सहज धर ले मेरा दिल धड़कावे पायल ओ मन पल पल पाए तेरी तड़पावे तेरा रूप जिगर में धड़के आग लगावे से ओ मन पल पल पाए तेरी तड़पावे तेरा रूप जिगर में धड़के आग लगावे तेरी आज्ञा का यो
One more. Why not the Shri Ganesha Deva? I will try once more, but before that, Aankh Maari. Kajra Mohabbat Wala.
कजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला कजरे ने ले लिए मेरी जान अरे मैं तेरे कुर्बान दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे अपना बना ले मेरी जान अरे मैं तेरे कुर्बान
Okay. And the last one, I will try once more. One very popular is there by the Russian girls, Shri Ganesha Deva dance. Shri Ganesha Deva. Shri Ganesha Deva. Lord Ganesha is not coming fast because we have not started in the first. Shri Ganesha Deva. Okay, so anyway, that we will see that we are doing work on that. I am doing. So if anyone is doing for that speech recognition and this natural language processing, we can do together. We can help. One more announcement for the E-Yantra robotic programming. I am inviting you that interested students can come to get the training of the robot programming in Atmal Studio, and we can forward you for the national event to the IIT Bombay. And the third semester students, we have created 2 teams. I want the 2 teams from 5th semester student. So it is clear invitation to all if you are interested. So that first the training phase will be done, and when in November the offline classes, the physical classes will start. At that time, getting you trained for the robot programming, we can forward you to the national event of the robotics program. Now you can enter your attendance and leave from my side. How did you like it that nobody had given the chat box? I'm stopping the recording now. Anyone can talk to me later in the lunch, whether if you want, interested for that any registration, work, mini project, help. But I am always ready for it.